Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now I am going to discuss about the best aircraft insurance in 2022. So guys, if your career or passions have landed If your career or passions have landed you a seat in the cockpit, the right aircraft insurance provides much needed coverage for you and your passengers. Though aircraft insurance may not be required by state or federal entities, a basic policy can protect you and your aircraft from the financial consequence of aviation accident or other types of damage. That includes weather-related damage, vandalism or property damage, as well as any damage or accident that may occur while you are in flight or on the ground. At minimum, a good aircraft insurance policy will provide basic liability insurance with the options to customize your policy based on your needs, budgets, and any relevant circumstances or coverage requirement. You may have that is like a flight to Alaska, vintage plans, instructional needs. Read on to find out which aircraft insurance provider may be right for you. This is your conditions you have to suit. I recommend the best aircraft insurance in 2022 is BWI Fly. Best for veterans USS. Best for commercial aviation wing. Best for renter assured partners aerospace. Best for vintage craft insurance EAA. Best for flying clubs Avenco. So guys, let's see first BWI Fly. BWI Flies reputations for affordable rate, reliable customer service, and robust portfolio of policy types make them a solid option for many types of aircraft. BWI Fly is a consistently ranked one of the top aircraft insurance companies as they offer a wide range of policies options, excellent customer service, and affordable coverage that can be customized to fit your needs. BWI policy solutions can accommodate both personal and commercial needs. They also offer a slew of niche or specialty policies designed for specific types of aircraft and aircraft owners, including experimental craft, seaplanes, fly clubs, commercial drones, private jets, and air charter. Though coverage varies by policy and policyholder preference, BWI general valuation coverage options include liability, aircraft hull, ground and flight, not a flight, and not a motion insurance. BWI website provide quick and easy access to online quotes and claim for most customers, and their customer service is constantly considered top-notch. This provider also has a wealth of education resources that can be used to new and seasoned pilots. Standard VWI aviation insurance policies are available for as little as add to $25 a year for up to $1 million in liability only coverage, making them affordable option. However, rates can vary greatly based on your policy needs, experience level, and other common factors. So it always best to seek out a personalized USAA. USAA provide specialized insurance product and other financial service to active military members, veterans, and their family, and their aviation insurance carries on the traditions of dedicated customer care. The USAA insurance agency started as an auto insurance company in 1922, but since then the organization has grown to provide a wealth of service to USAA members and their families. For veterans, that means a one-stop shop for everything from banking service and mortgage to home, auto, health, and even aircraft insurance, because members receive dedicated service from experienced underwriters and can obtain competitive annual premium and other perks. USSA is the number one option for veterans seeking aviation insurance. USA's covers include personal and commercial aircraft as well as aviation and agriculture business. They also provide non-owned liability insurance plans, cover various aircraft insurance, tradition plans, helicopter, ship plans, airbirds, and commercial drone, making it easy to find right policy to suit your aviation interest. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video till end. On next video I come with best jet sky insurance.
Aku bisa, aku